I'm going to prepare some chicken, Szechuan peppercorn chicken stock pot with shiitake mushrooms, and just chop up a bit of ginger here. Lots of ginger. Lots of ginger. And some garlic. I saw that, he was eating some of them. Shitake. Okay, I've got this much, like a ramekin full of, this is salted pickled cabbage. Okay, Chinese salted pickled cabbage, you can get that at any Chinese supermarket. I've chopped up all the ginger and garlic, and I'll just chop up a bit of shallots here. People call them spring onions, I call them shallots, because they're not exactly spring onions, these ones, right? And in here is, let's get the camera and have a look at the shiitake soaking. It'll stay soaking. Got Szechuan peppercorns, which you need there, Shaoxing rice wine, and some sesame oil, okay? And a little bit of regular oil in there. That's how much regular oil, okay? For the chicken now, to get the chicken, all right? Okay, just put that oil in there, heat that oil up a bit. Garlic and ginger, shallots, smells great. Szechuan peppercorns now. So how many Szechuan peppercorns? About that many, right? Prickly ash is the other name. Turn the heat down a bit. I don't want to burn anything. And we're just using chicken thighs. It's really easy to do. And this is going to be enough for about 4 meals, easy. Wash the hands. And coat all that chicken. Turn the heat up a bit. Now we're going to do this in the slow cooker and just let it simmer away all day, but I'm just going to fry up the outside of the chicken first. And we'll add the pickled cabbage. This gives it a really good taste. haven't added any salt yet. I'll add the salt when I put it into the slow cooker. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cover this using a chapati lid. This thing makes chapatis. Okay, just leave it at that for Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add the mushrooms and the water. Let that cook just a little bit because we really want to do it in the slow cooker. There it is there. I'm going to put that back on. That's about 2 minutes and we're going to put everything in the slow cooker now. I've had the slow cooker warming up so it's not going to take from scratch. And what we'll do is just going to add everything into there now. Carefully, hold on a minute. It's very tricky. Get all the goodies in there. Take a bit of a look there. Right, there you go. Okay, and we'll put that into the slow cooker. We'll add a little bit of water. I'm going to set that at high for a few hours, right, and then put it back to medium. Okay.